Aloha. Wow, feel so blessed today. I just got to spend like 2 hours out in the forest in nature. Wow. And what's occurring to me is that nature is absolutely incredible. It's magical, it's mystical, it's physical, it's full of energy, consciousness, intelligence. It breathes, it dances, it has a rhythm and a song. And as I walked out of the trail, it's dusk and I heard an owl begin to sing. And the pulsation and the vibration, sound of the owl, felt it through my whole body. And just really how important it is for us to go out into the mystery of nature and to breathe and to put our feet on the ground and remember who we really are. So much love from Mama Earth. Aloha.